Hey, good morning. It's day 3 of the screened in porch build, and my goal today is to get this siding off, and I'll take you outside in just a second and show you what I'm talking about. But my plan is I'm gonna pop these windows out. Here's a window, there's a window, and then I'm gonna hopefully take a sledgehammer and I can knock this all down in one piece and then haul it off that way. That's my plan anyway. So we'll see how it goes. I'll take you outside and show you this. I didn't do any of my electrical last night. I ate supper, did my chores, did some emails, ended up falling asleep. So I have to figure that out at some point today, hopefully. And hopefully I get all these 2 floors out and get this floor up. Boy, if I get all that done today, it'd be great. But let's go outside and now today's Friday. Video Monday I'm gonna be doing a live at 8 o'clock. I'm not gonna do a video, so Monday at 8 p.m. Join my live chat and or live stream, and we'll talk about some stuff that I haven't recorded and give you some updates on some other stuff and answer any questions you have. If you have a question you don't want to send it on the thing, send me an email and I'll answer it that way. So let's go out here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here's the windows I gotta take out, and you can see the siding that we put on originally is it's real cedar shakes. It was pretty expensive back in the day, but I wanted that look, so I've got to strip this off, pop this windows out, and then we'll knock this whole down. Hopefully this whole thing will come down as one unit. It'll be a lot easier to clean up. So we'll get my pry bar and get this done, and I'll bring you back and show you what we're doing. Alright, that's probably the most fun I've had all day today. It's been a rough day. Took me 2 hours to get the windows out. Took me 2 hours to get this doors out. You can see all my junk over here now. I got piled up with material I'm saving. And then it took me about 2 or 3 hours to do that wall. That's counting the electrical part of it. So, but I got it down, so it's getting there. You can kind of see it's open now. I'm going to eat supper and get this mess cleaned up, and maybe working out. I need to mow my yard tonight, so I don't know. So we'll pick her back up in the morning. Good morning. This is welcome to day 4 of demolition screen porch from Hades. Yesterday about got me. Yesterday about beat me down. Yeah, I like to never got these windows out. I never got this door out. I never got that wall out. I mean, it's just one thing after another, and I said I was about beat down. So, but it's a new day. I got a new outlook. I had a good night's sleep, so I'm working on this back wall to start with, and then I'm gonna clean up. Still got to do some figuring on this electrical. I got all the outlets, it's the lights that I'm kind of worried about. I'm afraid they're tied into my kitchen, so I can't just leave them off, but I probably need to find out. So anyway, I'm going to clean up too. Of course, you seen yesterday I got that wall knocked down, pulled down. Starting to look good in here. So I'm going to get working on this side, this back part. We'll get this door out. This door here has got to come out, and try to work back in that way. So I'm gonna get busy, and when I start to jerk that wall down, I'll film it again. So Hadn't even made it to the floor yet, so I've took a week off and all I've done is demo. But, you know, it's got to be done. Alright, I'm going to get busy. Alright, I'm getting ready to do something really good or something really stupid. I don't know what. I've got all my tops on this wall cut. I've got a rope, and I've got it tied to the TYM. I'm going to try to pull this wall down all at once and pull it out. And hopefully it goes good. I'm going to set you up and you can watch it real time, so if I do something really stupid, you get to see it. But one little caveat here, this wall is not structural, so any of these walls in here is not structural because there's a beam right up here that runs the whole length, and then it's supported middle ways by this 4x4. Same thing on the other side. That's the reason I'm able to do this like it is. So I mean, if this was your house or something, you know, you need to talk to the appropriate people. But I know this wall's not structural. And the electrical, I killed all the power to all the electrical. So you see all these wires dangling, there's no worry. So I traced all the circuits out and got them all killed. So we're ready to go. I'm gonna set you up and I'm gonna get on the TYM. I've got this rope coming around this wall on the other side because I don't want to pull this out. I pull this out, I'm gonna screw up. And over here, so we'll see how it goes. It's either gonna be good or it's gonna be bad. So you're on for the ride. Let's go. Alright, part of it came loose. I don't know why it didn't all. Oh, I see. Shoot, I forgot to cut a thing up here. Let me fix that and rewire, and we'll try to restring it, and I'll try to do it again. I see my mistake. Forgot to cut a stud right here. So that's probably holding it. It don't take much. Alright, let me get that done. So that worked out pretty good. It's all open now. That side's almost done. So had some rod on the bottom of it where I didn't have my gutters up, it looks like. Oh well. Alright, I won't get this cleaned up. I'm gonna eat me a little lunch and we'll get this wall out. And we got a little wall back here to get out. So, so far today's doing pretty good. So, shouldn't take me that long to get this cleaned up. I'll get my John Deere up here. One thing about my TYM now, it ain't got as much in the backside as the John Deere did. I had to put it in 4-wheel drive to get the pull. Don't have as much weight, is what I'm trying to say. All right, I'm pretty happy with it. All right, I'm gonna go eat lunch and I'll get this cleaned up. Alright, I'm about to call it a day. I've had a pretty good day today. Got all the walls down. Pretty much got everything cleaned up. Well, I got about 2 more loads to load up. I got 1 load on the tractor. So, all the walls are down. It went pretty good. I mean, it's still a lot of work, but it wasn't like yesterday when I mean, nothing went right yesterday. I worked twice as hard yesterday as I did today, and I got more done today. So hopefully we'll get the floor up and we can start going back new, get this wiring pulled back. I've got the wiring kind of figured out. It just looks like a mess right now, but anyway, hey, don't forget the live Monday 8 p.m. I'm gonna do it instead of a video. I'm gonna trying something new, something a little different. So 8 p.m. Eastern time, I'll be live. I'll chat, ask any questions, and I got a few things to talk about. Some stuff I haven't filmed and talked about, and got something, if I can remember to do it, I'll bring you and show you a little show and tell. So I did find Noah's little Bob the Builder hammer. He loved that thing when he was a kid. Bob the Builder. He used to have to get up every Sunday morning and watch Bob the Builder. I found a thing where I got it too, where Elizabeth wrote her name on it too before. So I'm actually sitting out here now. It is really nice out here. There's a little, kind of like a little breeze coming through here. I think we're really going to enjoy this as a family. So it's probably about 4:30ish. So it's in the afternoon, and I'm sitting in the shade here, and it's pretty nice. So I can't wait to get her done. Appreciate everybody watching. Remember the live Monday 8 p.m. and I'll have a little something else to announce too. So join me there, and we'll talk about some stuff. I appreciate everybody watching. Hit that subscribe button right down here. Give me a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. We'll see you back down here, I guess back here on the back porch. I've probably got one more video, I hope. That's it. I probably won't show this floor getting up. I mean, we've seen enough demos, so hopefully I can get this done tomorrow, and then we'll start going back, and I'll have that in my next video with new stuff. That way you can get a sense, because there's going to be I got to tear this little deck down right here, and we're going to do something a little different we was talking about. So hopefully I'll be better. My wife's sick as a dog. She's been sick for 2 days. That's why I'm filming myself. I got to get it done because my editor, you know, she thinks I'm a school kid, so I need your assignment by 4 o'clock, by 5 o'clock the day before, whatever. But she's got to edit it, so I got to get this done. So sitting out here enjoying it, taking a little break. Hey, support your local farmer. I appreciate everybody watching, all my subscribers. I'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.